I'm looking at these boxes and I believe I'm seeing a specification that I have not seen before. 180 watt thunder charge. I can't remember, did we ever charge anything at 180 watts? Oh, wow. This is a kind of a psychedelic pattern on the back here. And you can feel the texture of those waves when you touch it. There you can see your giant 200 megapixel sensor. It has this waterfall design for the display, power switch, volume rocker, and the front-facing camera in this case is dead center hole punch. Check out this beast, 180 watt thunder charge. Now we have another world record and a much different design. We're talking about a ton of megapixels on the front-facing camera, a much different color here, some sort of sunset purple peach thing going on. The main difference is kind of the feel, a little bit more flagship premium feel over here. I can tell you right now, holding this phone with this texture on the back, a little bit satisfying. That gives you a look at the front of the devices. You can see we have a hole punch style, much slimmer, more slender bezel around the edge comparatively. For my eyeballs, the display on the Ultra looks nicer. Keep in mind, it is also 120 hertz capable. Why don't we just plug this in right now? Let's get this out of the way. Ooh, check it out. Thunder charge, 180 watt, going up in real time. I'm gonna leave it for another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 30. We've come a long way with charging. I'll tell you that right now. 1x, 0.6, 2x. As far as video is concerned, we can go up to 4K. This is a test of the 4K 30 frame video recording. Let's flip this camera around for a little, looking sharp. 3, 2, 1. This one was 32 megapixel selfie camera. The other one is the one that has a 60 megapixel, which I don't think is a thing I've ever tested on a front-facing camera. This is a 60 megapixel selfie. What is going on? Let's try this. Come on. It's almost looking like a rear-facing camera. So it is an odd wave that they've segmented these out. That's the flagship, but this has the nutty front-facing camera. I guess you gotta pick your priorities, but they are at different price points. So 2 new options from Infinix. I gotta do that. I gotta just do that 180 watt charging one more time. Just look at this. Just watch closely. Look at that. Real time. I mean, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65% battery, 70,